Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, original, authentic, official, one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And I thought I'd show you the bottle of wine they were giving away. This is Le Cigar Blanco, and you've heard of UFOs shaped like cigars. It comes from Bonnie Doon Vineyards. So, and on top of the bottle, this is why I wanted to take a photograph of it, a video of it. The guy has an alien symbol. This is white wine. They all said a red. And this comes from King City, California, which is going all the way down to around Salinas. So this says, from what far-flung teleapplication might be dispatched? White Cigar, Le Cigar Blanc is the white analog of Le Cigar Volant, our flagship, named in honor of cigar-shaped alien craft banned by decree of the Village Council of Chateau Neuf de Pape. A blend of 55% Grenache Blanc and 45% Roussanne. This wine is a study in palm fruit, Asian pear and quince with suggestions of honeydew, lime blossom, and citrus rind. 2017 white wine, Arroyo Seco, Beeswax Vineyard, produced and bottled by Bonnie Doon Vineyard. King City, California, USA Earth, 750 milligrams, alcohol 14.4 by volume, and contains sulfite. So this is the bottle of basically UFO wine. So I thought it was kind of neat, and I wanted to show it to you. I had a nice time here, but I'm going home in the morning because the little girl got out when I was leaving. I got 4 hours of sleep yesterday, and I don't know if it's even yesterday or today or whatever, if it's Saturday or Friday. I got to the airport about 3:15. They didn't pick me up the hotel shuttle till 4:30 or 4:45. And I had 5 books I was carrying around to get George to autograph. And Tom Danheiser is sick with pneumonia. So, but had a nice time. They had kind of truth or dare. I filmed all of that. I was called up as a contestant. I did not pick the winner. But this is what they gave away as door prizes, a bottle of wine. I did win a poster, which is around here somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. And so that's the bottle of wine. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.